Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, check Steam server status and your connection speed. Aim for at least 3.5 Mbps upload. Next, sign out of Steam on all devices before troubleshooting to avoid conflicting saves. Note the game showing the sync error and its save size in megabytes. Open Steam settings and navigate to Cloud to confirm that Cloud Sync is enabled. If the setting is enabled, pause it, then resume after 30 seconds to force a refresh. Record any error codes shown in the client for later reference. Clear the Steam client cache and then restart Steam to refresh credentials. Next, verify the game's files through Steam to repair corrupted local saves. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall that may block Steam Cloud connections. If you use a VPN, disconnect it and test the sync process again. Manually backup local saves to a separate folder before forcing any overwrite. Reconnect to your network and run Steam as administrator to ensure full permissions. Force an upload by modifying a local save, then start the game to trigger sync. If a conflict persists, choose the most recent save by timestamp to avoid data loss. Enable automatic backups and keep manual backups of saves larger than 50 MB. For persistent issues, opt out of Cloud, rename the local save, then re-enable Cloud to upload the chosen file. Contact Steam support with error codes and save file details when all steps fail. Finally, document the steps you tried for future troubleshooting and prevention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.